Welcome to Premier Energy.
Solar panels, sometimes known as solar PV, use sunlight to generate electricity. The key part of a solar panel is a thin layer of semiconducting material that absorbs sunlight and converts it to electricity. This can then be used to power electrical appliances in your home. But before it can do this, the electricity your solar panels produce needs to be converted from direct current to alternating current. This makes it safer for use in your home and usable with your appliances. You'll need an inverter to do this, which is a box that's usually set up in your loft. You'll also have a meter inside your home to show you how much electricity your solar panels are generating in real time. The sunnier it is, the more power they'll generate, so duller days mean they'll produce less electricity, and they won't work at night or if heavy snow covers them. Therefore, if you have solar panels, you'll still need to buy some of your power from the national grid. You can also install a solar battery to store excess electricity from your solar panels, but this usually won't be enough to make you completely self-sufficient. Any electricity you don't use or store is then exported to the grid. There are a wide choice of solar panel brands to choose from.
Want to learn more? Contact Premier Energy now.